We are a large aerospace defense company in the U.S. My team is responsible for the maintenance and calibration of our company's test instruments. Our jobs are critical in this industry because malfunctioning or inaccurate test equipment can result in the failure of expensive missions or even loss of life. Therefore, we must be able to ensure our test equipment is properly functioning and calibrated at all times. We were running into several difficulties in maintaining our equipment. The turnaround time on instrument repairs and calibrations was on the order of weeks or even months. This was not only costly in terms of downtime, but also forced us to add equipment to our spare or rental pool. Our company also used test equipment from many suppliers, and due to this, the administrative logistics required to manage the servicing of equipment was very complex, resulting in a degradation of our service level. We knew we had to do something to reduce costs, reduce downtime of our instruments, improve our service level, and reduce the complexity involved in dealing with multiple suppliers.
When we met with this customer, we recommended several Keysight services to help solve the problems they were experiencing. First, Keysight's on-site professional services helped reduce turnaround time with a full-time technician and automated external test equipment. This significantly reduced the number of spares and rentals required by the customer. Secondly, Keysight offered one-stop calibration where all of the costs and logistics associated with multiple supplier outsourcing was managed by Keysight, further reducing costs and complexity. Finally, the inclusion of on-site repair for critical Keysight instruments also helped reduce turnaround time and ownership costs.
The partnership with Keysight had a massive impact. We saved $1.3 million in cost of ownership during the first year and reduced turnaround time by 88%. Going from weeks or months to days. These kind of savings and improvements to our service level help provide confirmation to the senior management team that outsourcing non-core capabilities was a viable long-term strategic decision. We are currently working with Keysight to expand this program to other sites to further reduce costs.